Right, so got a bit of a work-related project. Probably not that exciting to watch, but basically what we've got is a high voltage transformer. So this is a 275 kV one. It has a flange on the top of the conservator to allow you to fill it up. Now the issue with this flange is that it is 20 feet up in the air, so it's not easy to access. You need scaffolding or a cherry pick or something like that. So the plan is to bring these or bring a fill point for the conservator to ground level. So basically normally we can get a brand new flange that's got the fittings on there, but in this case we weren't able to, and we only found that out on Friday morning. So basically one of my colleagues has sorted out this fitting, which obviously the holes are never going to match. But my plan is drill a hole in the centre of this, and then weld four studs, four stainless studs like that, roughly there. Have to mark it up properly, and then it'll be able to nut and bolt, tighten up, and then we've got the fill point just there that will go to the hose that will go to ground level. So yeah, just a quick project that I'm going to do. That's what we're going to do. So I'm going to start by drilling a hole in here, and what I've got is some of these TCT drill bits, I think they're called, which you see that they've got I think it's tungsten carbide teeth to make it so they can cut well. So if you look at that, obviously ignore the gasket, then roughly that hole will be about right. So this fitting won't be causing a reduction in flow, so it's 34 millimeters. So I'll go and drill that hole and then I'll be back. So you can see we've got the hole in it now, just in the flange. It's gone slightly off centre where the drill wandered. Probably not using a big enough drill, to be honest, but it's done the job. So what I will do now is I will get my Makita degrinder and just polish that all up. Just tidy out all the burrs. This is a great tool, this. You see the holes cut there. I've just ground back a bit of metal because what I want to do is obviously weld onto clean, clean piece of metal. So just get me marker pen, mark those 4 holes. All I'm going to do is weld some 50mm stainless steel stud, which you can see here. So this is mild steel, but I'm going to use I think it's a 309 MIG wire to weld it. I'm just literally going to weld those on, grind it back a bit, and then yeah, it's done. I can bolt that up and it should be jobs are good. And just need to make sure that obviously my welds don't protrude into the gasket, but that'll be fine. You can always grind it back with this tool.